friends, well, as you know, it's graduation time for many students, and so actually my niece is graduating from high school this year. So I wanted to show you the altered graduation card that I made for her. I purchased a card and then I altered it. So I took an envelope and I glued the open part here and then covered it with scrapbook paper. Then I stuffed the envelope with 2 different gift cards. Then you turn the page and you'll see this cute graduation kitty cat. And this was in a calendar that I had purchased, so I thought that it would be great to put on here. And it's on something very firm, which it would be some recycled cardboard. And then I had used my decorative scissors to cut it out, and then I went around it with this blue marker to give the edge, and I think you can see it. I'll focus in on the corner so you can see, but to give the edge just a little dimension. And then of course here's the graduation sentiment. This is just a quick video on this altered graduation card. Thanks for watching. See you soon.